Learning the Minnan language. With English subtitle, the frequently used Minnan phrases. How do you say, dizziness? In Minnan language.
我暗顯，我暗顯，
Definition, dizziness. Darkness in front of your eyes, feeling dizzy when you feel yourself or things around you spinning. Mostly due to dysfunction of the inner ear, cerebellum, and medulla oblongata. Example.
我最艱苦，最我暗顯，最艱苦嘅。
I work so that I had darkness in front of my eyes and I feel very uncomfortable. Please support me. Please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to share with your friends. Thanks. Please tap the below to view videos of the same series.